Random
Always
shit.
ready to go.
Let's do this.
Mm.
Are you ready? YouTube video.
There's no time like
Raw
right now,
noise.
is it?
They really don't know who we are yet, but we post random videos and shit. Alright, so we gotta change it up from that one. What are you feeling?
I mean, cause you did, yeah, cause that's what the other one was. You gotta do something a little fucking
You want it heavier?
deeper.
Deeper?
Yeah, go
Darker?
Go lower. Yeah. Get a good rhythm going. I'll jump in. Dirt nasty motherfucker. Came out the fucking gutter. Nigga like Oscar the Grouch. Nigga said he had a mouse. Nigga rat. Nigga gatekeeper. Nigga had to slice the neck. Had to slice the feet. Nigga came down like a motherfucking king with the crown. Nigga shine like a John Deere tractor. Dirty South bastard came through. Bitches were laughing. Laughter. Nigga came through new chapter. Had to strike the record. Nigga came through like a new lethal weapon. Johnny Chan, nigga. Got them hands, nigga.
Alright, so you like that? You like that?
It was okay, yeah.
Wait, let's see.
Oh, you
Wanna keep going?
You want to start with a different one?
I don't know.
Is it
Start
easier?
another
You
one.
just upload it real quick the other way.
Yeah, I know.